Hello guys, so it is my next video lecture on inheritance in Java. So there are few different types of inheritance in Java. They can be like single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. The example of student and computer science student that I had given you in the previous lecture is that of single inheritance. That is basically if there are two classes, say class A and class B. If class B is inheriting or extending class A, then that is single inheritance. Okay. Now we come to what is multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, if there are three classes, say class A, class B and class C, and class C is inheriting from class B and class B is inheriting from class A, then that is multi-level inheritance. Okay, now I will be giving you an example of multi-level inheritance. Suppose we have a class called vehicle. Okay. Okay, let us take another example. Suppose we have a class named animal. Okay, and suppose it has a method called eat which prints out eating, and there is another class called cat which extends this animal class, and a function it has is void meow, and it prints out meowing. And suppose it has another the same program has another one class named kitten, and it is extending the class cat, and it has a function called void crying, and which prints out the word crying. So how to use it, how to see how it works, how does this multi-level inheritance works. So we will be the syntax will go like this. Say kitten space k equals to new kitten bracket start bracket close semicolon. So k dot cry, then we have k dot meow, and then we have k dot eat. So what will be the output? It will be first crying, then in the next line it will be meowing, and in the next line it will be eating. Now comes hierarchical inheritance. Okay, so in hierarchical inheritance we have suppose we have three classes, then A, B, C. So if class B and class C both extend class A, then that is known as hierarchical inheritance. Suppose on the same previous programming lines of that of the multi-level inheritance, I write there is a class called animal and a function called void it prints out eating. Then we have a class called say cat which extends animal, or we have a class called dog which extends animal, and it has one function that is bark, and which will print out barking. And we have another class called cat which extends animal, and it there is function in it called meow which prints out meowing. Okay, so how do we invoke this and how do we see how it works? So what we will do is we will create an object in the void main, that is cat space c equals to new cat. So if we do c dot meow and then c dot eat, then the output will be meowing and eating. However, if we do c dot bark, that will give compile time error. Okay, so in the next class we'll see what is multiple inheritance. Okay, yeah, thank you.